Tēnā, kia matara.
The challenge Peruperu is underway. All toa are showing great style in this discipline.
The Peruperu. As soon as I heard that we were doing the Peruperu, I thought, oh my dingoes, I'm in big trouble. Kia rongo tō tīna. Kia rongo tō tīna.
Saku wai maari hoki kua hinga te o mātau ana i roto i tā mātau rōpū e tā mātau kapa i mua i ahau. Kia kaua hau te mea tuatahi e hinga nei.
O tū ki te rangi kai muri rā.
Peruperu, there's no equivalent to it. Military drill, mentally, spiritually, physically.
Got a few in there. Oh, I'm doing all right. Started cramping up. I tried to carry on, hoping, come on, one of you fellas, break. Come on, one of you fellas, and it didn't happen. I knew straight away that, well, I better get ready for a whawhai. Kei te pai, e heke ki raro, kei te pai. E rua ko heke ki raro. Tēnā ko rua haere tōru, kia ka. Hiki na nā riki riki.
The last time I was got like over 300 last time. This time I was like popping on 20. Oops. Hopefully I do all right this time.
Pai te Peruperu keu. Te Peruperu te tai o ngā tino tohu o te tanga o te toa. Te tangata mau rākau.
Hiki na nā riki riki.
One by one, the toa submit to the Peruperu.
He mahi wheu e te mahi Peruperu mo te wāroa.
Haere tonu kia au e tā. Kia au. Kia pakari tonu. Haere tonu kia au e tā.
Timatatanga pēr ka pai hana, hui, tāia. And then start to kill the leg, and up. Start playing on the mind, you start counting first, I can do this many, do the many. Then you start listening, oh, ko hinga te tahi, that's the count out the door. And then the pain just starts going from there, you lose control of everything.
Go.
Ka kaha tonu ngā toa. Despite toa dropping out and the biting pain in the legs, the stronger toa continue with the Peruperu.
Ue kaha te hāpai o te rākau.
Tika ana me tino pakari ngā wāwai, me tino mohi o te tangata ki tōnā ke tū. Kei ngā wāwai, kei roto i ngā wāwai, ngā mahi tū wāwai takahia, ngā mahi Peruperu.
The Peruperu continues to claim victims. Now, only 4 remain. Who will win the first challenge? Mautapu? Brendan? Whare? Or the defending champ Owena? The Peruperu, a challenge of stamina.
Just looking at these young fellas and how they were bouncing around like spring chickens. They come out of the gate like a bull and then fizzled out and I didn't even make it to the other end of the paddock.
Many of the toa succumbed to the Peruperu.
I have a weak left Achilles tendon, and as soon as I heard Peruperu, I was like, oh, jeez. I felt a twitch, but I was able to push it out. Just following my rākau, and all I was really doing was making sure that I wasn't the first one down.
Now only 4 remain. Who will outlast the others? Tūkitarangi is quick to point out those who may be getting tired and not performing Peruperu properly. Now Whare and Owena are the only two toa remaining. Who looks stronger of the two? Whare's performance begins to tire and is asked to stop. Owena wins the challenge.
Longer, to be honest. I thought some tour I could tell didn't put their all, but I'm guessing strategies. Yeah, I'll probably have the same strategy soon. Everyone's trying to save themselves, even if it means not winning the challenges.